Real passive income. This sounds scammy, right? This is how most people portray passive income online, and they make everything seem really seedy. Talking about the laptop lifestyle and how you can travel the world and live on all the beaches and literally do this 24/7. Now, I'm going to be completely honest. I absolutely hate people that portray business this way because it makes all businesses look shady. It makes everything look like it's super simple. Everybody can get rich doing no work. And what it does is it sets you up for failure. And the worst part is most of these people that are portraying the laptop lifestyle are the ones that are spending way more money than they actually make in order to look rich. So in this video, what I'm going to do is a little bit of a rant if you haven't been able to tell already. And on top of that, I want to help you reframe your brain so you can think about passive income properly. So that way you actually have the ability to make passive income online. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you 4 ways that I've actually made passive income and ways that I think that is very, very good for an actual beginner to get started with. All right, so now before we get started, what I want to do is introduce myself. So if you're new to the channel, my name is Zach Crawford, and I want to tell you how you can win one of my $1,000 courses completely for free. All you need to do is go below, hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell so you get notified when I drop new videos, and finally leave a comment below. Every single day I pick the best comment to win the course. Now let's start this off with what passive income actually is and why most people have the wrong mindset to ever make passive income. Alright, so before you can actually make passive income, you need to understand the difference between passive income and active income because most people totally mess this up. Passive income is when you're actually making money when you're not physically working on something because you did all the hard work up front. You already put systems in place in order to automate that. Active income is when you're actually trading time for dollars. Active income is like when you have a job. You're trading your time for actually going into a job to do the work. Another example of that, if you're actually a business owner, could be actually doing coaching consulting. So you're spending one-to-one time with somebody, or maybe you're actually doing a service for somebody as well. Now, passive income is when you actually put a lot of time, effort, energy, and possibly even money up front in order to automate the process. And it allows you to make money whether you're on vacation, whether you're at the gym, whether you're hanging out with your family, or you can even be working on another business in order to create another income stream. Passive income is the dream. That's what everybody wants. Everybody wants to make money while they're doing nothing, right? But the problem is that most people are never going to make passive income in their lifetime, and it's because of how they think about things. When I hear people say they want to make passive income, I think what most people are imagining is basically making the most amount of money for the least amount of effort. What they're doing is they're idolizing people on Instagram, people like the Kardashians, and they see these people just making tons of money for pretty much doing nothing, and that's exactly what they're hoping to do themselves. If you really think about it, this whole passive income thing is really a broken mindset. The whole making money by doing nothing. You can actually make passive income. That's real, but the way people think about it is broken. If you think about this, could you maintain an amazing body? Could you keep a six-pack if you skip on your diet and you don't go to the gym all the time? Could you keep a marriage going if you put things on cruise control and put in the bare amount of effort once you get married? Are you able to keep a job if you're lazy and you go into work and just do the very minimum amount of work in order to keep the job? I don't think so. Making passive income is 100% possible, but don't get it twisted. Don't think you're going to be able to sit around, be lazy, and do no work, and money's just going to rain from the sky. It just doesn't work that way. It's going to take a lot of work and a lot of labor of love up front in order to create a reliable income or a reliable passive income. I had to work my butt off over a period of time in order to create my passive income streams. Now, with that being said, I don't want to kill your dreams here because it absolutely is possible. But what I'm trying to get out of your head, if you're already thinking that, I want to do the least amount of work and make a whole lot of money, is you're never going to be able to make that money with that mindset. You're going to have to actually do some work, and that's how you get to the passive income. Right now, if you don't realize this, we literally live in the best time in history in order to make passive income. Years ago, it wasn't really possible outside of things like real estate and the stock market. Now we literally have the internet. We have the ability to reach people anywhere in the world. We have tools to automate the process, and now things are so much easier. There's literally 15-year-old kids making $1,000 a day on the internet. That was not something that you ever heard of 20, 30 years ago. Now that we got the rant out of the way, now we can focus on the 4 different ways to make passive income online. I'm currently investing in things like index funds, cryptocurrency, real estate, and the stock market. Now, personally, I think these are some of the best ways to make money or create a passive income stream over a 10 to 20 year period. These are how people become ultra wealthy. With that being said, I don't think they're very beginner friendly, and it's not the best way to create a passive income stream. Before you get into these type of methods, I think that you should create a business that generates money, that you have disposable income, because things like this are a risk. Yes, you can become ultra wealthy doing it, but you want to have money that you can actually risk, and it's not going to be your livelihood. It's not the last money you have putting into these types of investments. So what we're going to do is we're going to focus on online methods only. So method number 1 is affiliate marketing, and this is one of my favorite methods because I made over $1 million doing it. Affiliate marketing is really just a simple process of promoting somebody else's product, and when somebody actually makes a purchase through your individual link, you get a commission. And that's really all affiliate marketing is. It's referral marketing. You refer somebody, they buy something, you get paid. Lots of big companies like Amazon.com, Walmart.com, and a lot of the big brands that you're very familiar with on a day-to-day basis have affiliate programs. Now, personally, I don't actually use a lot of these affiliate programs. I focus on private affiliate programs because the payouts and commissions are much, much bigger. Now, there's many different ways to actually do affiliate marketing, and you can do things like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, building a blog, and then all you have to do is funnel those people into those affiliate products that you're actually promoting from there once you build the audience. If you're saying right now, Zach, that's not passive income, you're absolutely right. In the beginning, it's not passive income, it's actually active income. You're going to put in a lot of work up front in order to create that passive income stream. The difference is once you create that content, you do it consistently over a consistent period of time, what happens is you start making sales every single day. You literally have your content out there digging ditches, making you money 24/7, 365. Now, obviously, you're not making money 24/7, but you get my point. It's out there doing the work for you, and people can find your content for years to come. I literally have content that I've created over 2 years ago that consistently sends me sales, and I did the work once and I still get paid. Method number 2 is creating your own information product. So this is just like affiliate marketing. The big difference is you're going to create the product yourself. This product will solve either a need, some kind of problem, it will entertain somebody, and it's going to help somebody in your marketplace. And the big difference is instead of actually referring, somebody to somebody else's product and getting 50% of the money, when you actually make a sale, you keep 100% of the profits. I always suggest that people start with affiliate marketing to learn marketing and learn sales. Once you actually are starting to make consistent income and doing very well, I think it's very smart to transition to creating your own product so that way you can 10x your income. Now, obviously the upsides of creating your own product is tenfold, right? You're going to make a lot more money doing it. Just keep in mind that creating your own products is going to require more of your time, more effort, more energy, probably more frustration, and even more money. You're going to have to do things like creating the membership site, getting graphics made, and getting actual software to automate the process. And anything that you don't know how to do yourself, you're going to probably have to actually hire somebody to do that. Now, just like affiliate marketing, creating my own information products, I use the exact same process. I do the work up front, I create the actual sales funnel, and that automates the process to sell my product. So from there, once the sales funnel is in place, I literally just focus on creating content, and every single day I'm watching sales come in, and all I have to do is work a couple hours a day. Once you actually put the hard work up front, this is where things become passive. So just like affiliate marketing, it's not really passive income up front, it's more active income. But once you transition to that process of getting the sales funnel in place, you have everything automated, that's when things start to become passive. You put in just a little bit of work every single day, and the engine keeps running. Method number 3 is creating a service-based business. And I understand right now, listen to this, you probably think this sounds funny considering I talked about service-based businesses are actually active income. What you may have not realized though is you can actually turn a active income stream into a passive income stream. Years ago when I started online, freelancing and actually doing services for business owners was some of my first money. In fact, I scaled that to 6 figures rather quickly, but once I did, I absolutely hated my life because I was constantly working. Now, once I started learning about this internet marketing thing and affiliate marketing, and I become obsessed with this passive income stuff, I realized I no longer want to trade my time for dollars. I wanted to create something that the business keeps running regardless if I'm in it or not. At that point, that's when I started hiring Filipinos over in the Philippines. I created my own team. They took over the work for me, and to this day, that is still an income source. In fact, it's a passive income source that I don't have to do any of the work for myself. I have project managers to manage the clients. I have actual, employees to do all the work, and I literally do nothing. I just focus on the content in order to send sales. Now, obviously, this requires you to build a team. It does require a lot of work up front to put these systems in place, but what I can tell you is any real business that you're going to be able to generate passive income, it's almost going to be impossible for you to do all of it. That's what the whole point of passive income is, right? You're pulling yourself out of the business so you have more time to think and create other income sources. If you ultimately want to become wealthy, you need to think like an entrepreneur. You need to actually hire a team, put people in place to do the hard work so you can think about how to generate more wealth, and that is the key. You got to outsource yourself out of the business. Now, the 4th method is to create a YouTube channel, and I know right now a lot of people are cringing and they probably don't want to do this, but in my opinion, this is one of the best ways to make passive income online. You literally can create a YouTube channel around a niche or interest-based topic, things people are searching for, things people have problems for, and all you have to do is create the content that answers the questions that they're looking for, and you literally can get paid to do that. Once you start getting a lot of views on your YouTube channel, you can apply for AdSense, and you can actually get AdSense ads to run over your video. Every single time one of your visitors clicks one of those ads, you get paid. Once you actually take this seriously, you can build this into even a six-figure yearly income by just creating videos. I don't know about you, but that's a pretty darn good incentive to create content. Now, even though I think AdSense ads is pretty awesome, it's a passive income stream. You literally can create videos that are 6 months old and they're making you money. Even videos a year ago, people are still finding they can click on those ads on the videos and make you money, but that should not be your only income source. Personally, I would suggest to combine the YouTube channel with affiliate marketing or even possibly creating your own information products, and you literally can create a six-figure a year business. So there you have it. Those are my 4 suggestions on the best ways to create passive income online. With anything, there's going to be work up front, and I hope this video really opened your eyes that a lot of the videos people are creating on YouTube are absolute BS. There is no such thing as really a set it or forget it type of income source. Probably the closest thing to that is going to be things like stocks, but even then, you wouldn't want to just put your money in the stock market and never check up on it. Realize that with anything you do, it's going to require some form of work, and if you go into it with that mindset, you're going to be successful. Now, hopefully you got value from this video. If you did, I would truly appreciate it if you'd smash that like button so it helps me reach more people. Finally, comment below and let me know what you think, and also get the chance to win the free course. And as always, I will see you in the next video.